Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and I've used a lot of stud finders over the years, from the magnetic ones to the ones that connect to your phone. But the brand that I keep coming back to is Franklin Sensors. This is the M210 model. Let me tell you why it's my new favorite. First of all, like previous models, it's so easy to use, and you'll quickly see when there's something behind the drywall. This model is extremely accurate because it has 13 sensors working together with the 21 LEDs. This is great for double studs, and if your hull has a horizontal bracing or fire block in the stud bay. The bubble level can be really helpful for shelves, picture frames, or many other uses. It's just one less tool you have to worry about for a small job. I even like that they included a little pencil that stores inside it, so you could mark a stud or even a straight line. Another neat feature they included is the electrical field sensor, which will give you a heads up when you're near electricity, like wires for your outlets or your light switches. This can help reduce the chance of driving a screw through a wire if you're not paying attention. Now, if you're the type of person not to read the instructions, one thing they make very clear is to use non-rechargeable batteries. So if you want it to behave as designed, I'd suggest following that direction. So whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this M210 stud finder from Franklin Sensors makes projects simple and efficient so you can get the job done. And that's my point of view.